The cpanel application. The cpanel live website. I am editing the level script. So this is the base level exit I am editing. So check dashboard, CSS, header, and this is the website. Header, CSS, dashboard, and the custom header. And this is the file manager, and this is the cpanel application. The cpanel website and any custom in the live, I can help you immediately. So your cpanel website died or anything, any issue, you can contact me. Cpanel website solution, I can provide you the super fast speed solution within 24 hours. I will give you the best solution. So if you need any custom help, any custom development your cpanel website, so you can contact me. I will provide you the best service in the lowest cost amount. So best of luck.